Hi, it's Nina. Hello, welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook notification if it's not working. So let's get started. Well, the first thing we're gonna do if your Facebook notification is not working is to go into your settings. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on Notifications and Control Center. Here, a list of options will appear, so tap on App Notifications. Now scroll all the way down and look for Facebook. And make sure that Show Notification option is turned on. So if it is turned off, then you won't receive any kind of notifications on Facebook. So make sure to toggle it on. Now scroll all the way down and also make sure to toggle on these options: comments, tags, and so on and so forth. So make sure to go through all this and toggle it on. And this is it. This is how to fix Facebook notification if it's not working. Thanks for watching. See ya.